And I know nobody likes product reviews because they're all fucking fake. This is the first time I've tried this shit. Am I gonna tell me how I went from trying to make... I just chopped down my engine. How the fuck I went from trying to make a tutorial TikTok on how to get your spare tire out to fighting fucking coolant drains for an hour and a half now. I wasn't even planning on getting dirty, but Grip Clean sent me a bunch of like hand cleaning shit. Yeah, so. And I know nobody likes product reviews because they're all fucking fake. This is the first time I've tried this shit. Oh shit. Okay. These are little wipes. You don't have to have a sink. That's fucking genius. A plus. A plus. I'm actually like super happy right now about hand wipes. Yeah? Yeah. Damn, okay. Yeah.